St. Lucia Kings and Antigua and Barbuda Falcons will clash in the 17th match of the 2024 Caribbean Premier League at Gross Islet. The Kings with 3 wins and 6 points are favourites in the match, while the Falcons have had a mixed debut CPL season where they would be under pressure to revive their campaign. Out of the 7 matches this season, Falcons have just won 2. Darren Sammy National Cricket Stadium at Gross Islet in St. Lucia has hosted 10 CPL matches in the 2022 and 2023 seasons. The average first innings score in these 2 editions at this venue is 170 and in the second innings it is 141. The highest score in CPL in these 2 seasons at this venue is 201 and the lowest score is 51. The toss win to match win percentage is 50%. St. Lucia Kings and Antigua and Barbuda Falcons are expected to field the same 11s in their upcoming CPL match on Monday. St. Lucia Kings and Antigua and Barbuda Falcons have played only 1 match against each other, with the Kings winning that fixture. Johnson Charles has had a good CPL 2024 so far, scoring 181 runs in 5 innings with an average of 42.25 and a strike rate of 142.51. Charles also scored 1 half-century this season. Noor Ahmed has been exceptional with the ball in CPL 2024. In the 5 innings, he has picked up 8 wickets at a strike rate of 15.00, maintaining an impressive economy rate of 5.90 and an average of 14.75. Justin Greaves has been consistent in CPL 2024, amassing 164 runs in 4 innings, his average of 54.66 and an impressive strike of 145.13 including 150. Fabian Allen has been impactful in CPL 2024, claiming 7 wickets in 5 innings with the strike rate of 14.57 and economy rate of 8.23. He holds an average of 2.0. In CPL, Faf du Plessis has scored 1,032 runs at an average of 30.35 and a strike rate of 141.75. In the last match, the Kings keeper scored 62 of 31 balls. Shadrach Descartes is an avoid pick for the Kings in 2 winnings in CPL 2024. He has scored just 2 runs. Imad Wasim is a hot pick for the Falcons in CPL 2024. In 7 innings, he has taken 7 wickets at an average of 27.85 and a strike rate of 22.28. This season, he has been handy with the bat too. Joel Andrew may be an avoid pick for the Falcons because of poor form with the bat in the last 3 matches. St. Lucia Kings would be favourites in the match against the Falcons because of home conditions and current form. They have 70% chance to win the match. Johnson Charles would be a good choice for captain. Noor Ahmed will be a great option for the vice-captain role. और आखिर में हमारी फैंटेसी 11 में जॉनसन चार्ल्स को विकेट कीपर के रूप में शामिल किया गया है। 3 ऑलराउंडर्स हैं, रॉस्टन चेज, डेविड वीज और इमाद वसीम। फैंटेसी 11 में 3 बैटर्स हैं, फफ दु प्लेसिस, भानुका राजापक्सा और जस्टिन ग्रीव्स। 4 बॉलर्स होंगे, अहमद, फाबियन एलन, कॉफी जेम्स और मोहम्मद आमिर।